Hi, this is our new unboxing video of the ADV Bag 70 liter from Loneriders. Let's get this started. This is for the exhaust protection. Let's keep it for the side. This is the accessories. This is the upper part of the saddle bag. We can lock each of the sides and there is magnetic locks here. These two here are the side inner bags that will go in the side. There's this valve to open air when putting some luggage inside it and packing it up. Middle and base plate to the saddlebags. It will be in the middle, then there will be two sideways. Three things coming to my mind when I look at this ADV bag setup. First is durability, second is multi-utility or multi-functionality, and third is the build quality. For multi-functionality or multi-utility, for example, you can see these straps here. You can attach any smaller utility bags in the build the structure for now. I mean the base plate and the two side plates with the beaver tail. So there are 4 slots here on the both sides that we will have to screw with here and the last one here. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one when I mount this setup on my 1300 GS with the luggage and go for one more ride. I'm getting old.